Hi, do you want to make attractive PowerPoint slides like is shown in the screen?
Yes, I do. But what is the solution?
Solution is very simple. Kindly like and subscribe my channel before we proceed. Open up a blank presentation and open Slide Master. Select the second slide and delete all the available objects on the slide. Now from placeholder, insert a blank picture, center align and adjust the width as required. Duplicate this picture and place it sideways. You can place as many blank pictures as required. For this project, I am going to place 7 blank pictures. I am going to place them sideways in the Slide Master mode. Close the Master Slide mode and go to the normal slide. Insert the slide that we just created in Slide Master mode. Insert all the pictures as per your requirement. For this presentation, I'm going to insert some pictures of the fruits. You can insert pictures of your own choice as per your requirements. Now once we have all the pictures available, I will go to Insert and draw a rectangle. The width of the rectangle should match as that of the picture. We're going to duplicate the rectangles and place them one above each picture in the visible region, that is the white region of the slide. We are going to place rectangles for reference in order to adjust pictures. Now we will delete the first slide. Select all these pictures and center align the first picture. Duplicate the slides that you have now created. Do not disturb the reference rectangles, and drag all the pictures to left so that second picture gets aligned to the center. Now delete all these reference rectangles, and repeat this procedure for all these slides. For all the slides, center align the picture of interest in a sequence. Drag the pictures to the left and adjust on picture and center. Go to Insert and select a circle. Draw an ellipse at the upper visible end of the slide. Adjust the size of the ellipse accordingly, as to suit the frame and slide aspect ratio. Select the color of ellipse as white. Duplicate this ellipse and place it at the bottom visible end of the slide so that we can make this carousel effect. Once both the ellipses are perfectly aligned in such a way that there are no empty spaces left on both sides. Duplicate these ellipses on all slides so that we have a similar effect for our presentation. Now select all slides and go to Transition, and apply Morph Transition. So here is where the real magic starts. Now select all the pictures except the center one and turn them into grayscale. Repeat this procedure for all other slides that we have made. Only the center picture of concern remains colored, so that it gets focused. So once we have done this, we can add text to our slides. We can have a lot of style of text available. You can insert the text as per your desired format and size. We will insert the title, that is the fruits, and we'll adjust the font style and size. Once the text is adjusted, play the slideshow, and here is the magic. You can see perfect carousel effect. If you enjoyed the video, kindly like and subscribe my channel for more such content. Thank you for watching.